In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy Google AI Studio app on Vercel. Now, the first thing you want to do here is open up your app inside Google AI Studio, and then you want to go to the top over here where it says Save to GitHub, click on it, and then give it a repository name. I'm just going to name it Timer App Gemini over here, and the description is going to be exactly the same. And then here you could go ahead and make it private or public. I'm going to make it private over here and press on Create Git Repo. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, will first have to connect GitHub. If you don't know how to do this, I basically have a separate tutorial. You can watch it on my channel and you'll be able to do it yourself as well. Click on Create Git Repo. It's going to start syncing your changes over here. It's going to start creating your repository. This usually takes like a few seconds, and there we go. It's going to load everything, and that's pretty much it. So you can also click on stage and commit all changes over here, and it should start syncing your changes. And now you'll be able to, of course, get that on the GitHub. You could also go up and click on this link up top. It's going to open up inside GitHub to actually double check it's in here. Yeah, there we go. My code and my project, my app is now inside my GitHub account. After you've done that, so that's the first part of the tutorial, you want to go to Vercel, and inside Vercel, you want to sign in. Preferably, of course, you can sign in with GitHub, but if you haven't done that, if you signed up with Google or email or whatever you may have used, you want to go to the top right, and then you want to go to the account settings, and in here go to authentication and just connect your GitHub account. Okay, so connected, click on the connect button, and it's going to guide you all the way through it. When you do that, you then want to go back inside Vercel over here, click on add new, and then do project. And then here you'll be able to select your Git repository. I'm going to select my instant how-to one, which is of course my repository name. And then here you should be able to see your new app. So for me, Timer App Gemini, it's been created less than 1 minute ago. This is the one. You want to click on import, and it's going to give you all the different options over here. You can play with this if you want to. You can change project names. I'm going to ignore this and click on deploy. And when you click on the deploy button down here, it's going to start deploying your Google AI Studio app on Vercel. This takes like a few seconds up to a few minutes. And when that's done, you'll be able to see it here inside your Vercel. And yeah, it's going to pop up over here. It's going to be in here and deployed. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.